Hello everyone, today we will introduce Starbucks. I'm Claire.
I'm Elaine.
Our presentation divided into three parts. The first part is Starbucks acquire LongBranch. The second part is Starbucks right decision. The third part is Starbucks strategy. I will introduce the part 1. Starbucks acquire LongBranch. There are several reasons. Starbucks wanted to upgrade their products. Today, only a third of people who come into Starbucks stores buy their food. Consumers buy coffee and they go elsewhere for their food because it is a branch out into other meals, fell flat, while breakfast sandwich cut on. The deal with between Starbucks and LongBranch has Starbucks replicated the LongBranch technology such are all patterns all around the country. The Starbucks based on different regions to change the raw material, but the technology is the same. LongBranch chain and supervise the bakers. LongBranch is a big company which produces the bakery. LongBranch has 22-store bakery chain in San Francisco in 1999. The technology usually involves in flours, sugars, and plenty of butter, and then they add the butter into it again. Starbucks used the strategy is acquisition. Starbucks buy LongBranch for $100 million. Starbucks acquire LongBranch technologies and bakers. Starbucks turn passionate drinker to passionate eater. I think the strategy makes sense at the time because LongBranch has 22-store bakeries chain and a great brand reputation in America. Starbucks needed to expand the new market and attract consumers who need to buy bakery. LongBranch has an advanced and maturity technology. It helps Starbucks to get target market rapidly. Most importantly, the technology supports Starbucks to reduce the cost of goods because Starbucks replicated all the patterns all around the country. If I am a leader in a Starbucks, I will follow in these operations to get the maximum return in my investment in this company over the next 3 years. Firstly, I will upgrade the product regularly. The company needs secure, delicious taste of the product and the safety of the raw material. Secondly, I will train the employees. The company will organize the training for the bakers and make them grasp experience skills because it can decrease the bakers' opportunities of making mistakes. Thirdly, I will analyze the market for the customers' performance about baker. Starbucks can decrease the risk for cannot sell out in a day.
Now I will introduce the part 2. The Starbucks profit is sharp increase and 23 LongBranch retailer locations as well as the 2 manufacturing facilities that serve those locations by the end of September 2015. The evaluation fresh retail locations will also close. Starbucks stays steadfast in its commitment to achieve long-term growth targets enterprise-wide. Based on ongoing evaluations, Starbucks has determined LongBranch stores are not suitable for the company's long-term growth. Starbucks acquisitions the LongBranch and undertakes the retailers or the fee, but But the retailers cannot bring back increasing profit continuously for Starbucks. It wasn't a surprise. Starbucks pursue profit model and long-term growth target, while Rembrandt cannot shoot a target, so Starbucks made the right decisions. Starbucks acquisition bought Rembrandt and gets the technology of bakery. It has more retail stores than Rembrandt and sell the baker in their own store. Closing the Rembrandt can benefit them to focus the core market and enlarge the influence of brand. It can also decrease the cost of investment. The part 3 is the Starbucks strategy. We think Starbucks use localization strategy and transnational strategy going forward. So our recommendation in localization strategy has 43 points. Firstly, using local material. Starbucks built a factory to produce local materials in different areas and decrease the barriers of import to control the quality of raw material. Secondly, local responsiveness is high, so the company should provide many kinds of tests of different regions, such as in muesli, we provide no pork product. For vegetarian, we offer them different kinds of vegetable salad. Thirdly, build local governmental regulations. Starbucks manager need to learn more about local regulation because learning different countries' regulations carefully can succeed in carrying out any plan to get support from government. It can reduce the barriers for entering new market of Starbucks. Our recommendation in transnational strategy has 2 points. First, Starbucks marketing and promotion efforts. The company promotes their brands in terms of different region cultures. For example, according to different culture to design different advertising. Second, Starbucks set up research and development department. The company doing marketing research regulation and catering to demands of customers and improve satisfaction, such as research about people's preference of flavors, coffee, and bread softeners. Then make a conclude about the results. That's all. Thank you.